Now, in the top right-hand side, you will see the Based On details. In this case, the package is based on the agent Abercrombie and Kent, with 2 adults in 1 room, departing on the 19th of October. If you need to make any changes, just click to edit. You can change the start date, the number of travelers, room count, or even switch to a different agent if needed. You can also go back and edit the package name, the cover photo, or any of the general details. When the package is created, the country or countries you've selected in the quote are automatically included. As you can see here, Tanzania is already selected as the country. If you need to add another country, like Botswana, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, or Zanzibar, you can easily select it from the list. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a section labeled Route and Timeline. Right now, it's empty. As we begin adding onto the package, this timeline will start to populate, giving you a visual overview of the itinerary. If you want to stop and return later, no problem. Just click Exit Wizard. Your progress is automatically saved. You can pick up right where you left off. For now, let's go ahead and click Next to continue.